In the realm of automotive legends, the Lamborghini Countach reigns supreme. With its iconic wedge-shaped design, scissor doors, and an unrivaled presence, the Countach continues to captivate enthusiasts and hold its status as a symbol of automotive excellence. In this review, we delve into the awe-inspiring world of the Lamborghini Countach, examining its performance, design, and timeless appeal. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Design and styling. The Lamborghini Countach's design is a true masterpiece that has stood the test of time. Introduced in the 1970s, it shattered the conventions of automotive design with its radical and avant-garde styling. The Countach's iconic wedge-shaped body is instantly recognizable, making it one of the most celebrated and sought-after supercars in history. The low-slung and angular silhouette of the Countach exudes a sense of power and aggression. Its sharp lines and aggressive angles create a visually striking appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. The car's dramatic proportions, with a long and wide body, further emphasize its presence on the road. The front end of the Countach is characterized by a sleek and low-profile design, incorporating aerodynamic elements to enhance performance. The iconic pop-up headlights, concealed behind stylish grilles when not in use, add a touch of mystery and intrigue to the car's frontal aesthetics. Moving towards the sides, the Countach's scissor doors are an iconic hallmark of Lamborghini's design language. These upward-opening doors not only serve as a distinctive feature, but also contribute to the car's functionality by allowing easier access in tight parking spaces. The aggressive wheel arches and large air intakes on the sides further enhance the Countach's muscular and athletic stance. Performance and engineering. The Lamborghini Countach's performance and engineering are equally as impressive as its iconic design. At the heart of this legendary supercar lies a mid-mounted V12 engine, delivering awe-inspiring power and performance. Over the years, the Countach underwent several evolutions, with different versions offering varying engine configurations and power outputs, but all of them were capable of delivering exhilarating performance. Acceleration in the Countach is blisteringly quick, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 km per hour in a matter of seconds. The top speed is equally impressive, allowing drivers to experience the thrill of pushing the limits of what's physically possible in a road-going car. The V12 engine's roar is a symphony of mechanical noise that heightens the driving experience, combining with the raw power and responsiveness to create an unforgettable sensation. To complement its powerful engine, the Countach features advanced engineering to ensure exceptional handling and stability. Its wide stance, advanced suspension system, and precise steering allow for agile and precise cornering, while also providing stability at high speeds. The Countach demands respect and skill from its driver, making it a car best suited for experienced enthusiasts who can fully appreciate its performance capabilities. Overall, the Lamborghini Countach's performance and engineering are a testament to the brand's commitment to pushing boundaries and creating a supercar that delivers thrilling driving experiences on both the road and the racetrack. Driving experience. The driving experience of the Lamborghini Countach is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you settle into the driver's seat, you are enveloped in a world of luxury and sportiness. Despite the snug cabin, the low-slung seating position enhances the feeling of being connected to the car, offering a commanding view of the road ahead. The dashboard layout is driver-focused, with essential controls and information placed within easy reach. The Countach's interior is a blend of luxurious materials and ergonomic design, ensuring both comfort and functionality. The exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail are evident in every aspect of the cabin, reinforcing the sense of exclusivity. Once on the road, the Countach comes alive. The acceleration is exhilarating, with power surging through the rear wheels as the V12 engine roars to life. The responsiveness of the throttle, combined with the symphony of engine noise, creates a visceral experience that leaves a lasting impression. Handling is precise and responsive, allowing for confident and controlled maneuvers. The Countach's wide stance and advanced suspension system provide stability, even during aggressive cornering. The car feels planted to the road, instilling confidence in the driver to push the limits and explore its capabilities. It's worth noting that the Countach demands respect and skill. The raw power and rear-wheel drive setup require a deft touch and a keen understanding of its dynamics. However, for those who possess the necessary experience, the Lamborghini Countach offers a driving experience that is nothing short of exhilarating, delivering the combination of power, agility, and sensory stimulation that is unmatched. It is an experience that ignites the passion of driving and leaves an indelible mark on the soul of the driver. Timeless appeal. The Lamborghini Countach possesses a timeless appeal that has solidified its place as an automotive icon. Its enduring popularity and desirability can be attributed to several factors that transcend the boundaries of time and trends. First and foremost, the Countach's design is a work of art that has stood the test of time. Its bold and aggressive wedge-shaped silhouette, sharp lines, and dramatic angles continue to capture the imagination of car enthusiasts, regardless of the era. The Countach's design was ahead of its time when it first debuted, and even today, it remains a symbol of automotive excellence and daring innovation. Furthermore, the Countach represents the pinnacle of performance and engineering. Its powerful V12 engine, exhilarating acceleration, and impressive top speed are the stuff of dreams for enthusiasts. The raw power and dynamic capabilities of the Countach continue to resonate with those who seek the ultimate driving experience. Additionally, the Countach's limited production numbers and exclusivity contribute to its timeless allure. It is a rare gem that only a fortunate few can own, creating an aura of prestige and desirability that transcends generations. The Countach's influence on the automotive industry is immeasurable. It has inspired countless supercars that followed in its wake, and its impact can still be felt in the design and performance of modern-day Lamborghini models. Sounds of the Lamborghini Countach. The Lamborghini Countach is known for its distinctive and exhilarating sound, which is a symphony of power and performance. The roar of the Countach's engine is an unmistakable and spine-tingling experience that sets it apart from other cars on the road. Equipped with a mid-mounted V12 engine, the Countach emits a deep, throaty growl that intensifies as the RPMs rise. When the throttle is unleashed, the sound becomes a thunderous roar that echoes through the air, captivating everyone within earshot. The exhaust notes are rich and resonant, with a satisfying crackle on overrun. The Countach's engine note is characterized by its raw and aggressive tone, a reflection of the car's uncompromising performance capabilities. Price. The Lamborghini Countach is a highly sought-after and iconic supercar that was produced between 1974 and 1990. Due to its rarity and collector status, the prices for Lamborghini Countach models can vary significantly depending on factors such as the model year, condition, mileage, and specific variant. The Lamborghini Countach prices range widely, starting from several $100,000 for well-maintained and entry-level models, while exceptional examples or limited editions can command prices well into the millions. It's important to note that the Countach's prices have seen significant appreciation over the years, as it has become increasingly coveted among collectors and enthusiasts. Additionally, factors such as originality, rarity, and historical significance can further impact the Countach's value. Conclusion. The Lamborghini Countach is more than just a car. It is a symbol of automotive passion and engineering marvel. With its breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and timeless appeal, the Countach remains an icon that has inspired and influenced countless supercars that came after it. It is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing boundaries and creating automotive legends. The Countach's place in the pantheon of automotive greatness is well-deserved, and its legacy will continue to inspire generations of enthusiasts for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.